Hi there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to actually get more space in Dropbox very easily. If you had all your Dropbox folders full, simply you'll have to upgrade your account. You can find upgrade your account on the top right corner, and as you can see, this is the upgrade account. You can get 2 terabytes, you can get 2 terabytes for 6 people, or even 3 terabytes for 1 user by adding a subscription. In this subscription, you can see you can either have a monthly bill or a yearly bill. Right here, you can see unlimited device linking, 13 dial file and account recovery, large files delivery, up to 2 gigabytes, 3 fee e-signatures per month, and you can see a lot of actually perks that you can find right here. Keep in mind that this is a very good way actually to have a lot of data, even as I said, like for a team, 5 terabytes, this is pretty much all you would need for $15 per month. That's basically, guys. Goodbye.